Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in this video, we'll talk about our immigration changes happening soon. So to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Is immigration reform right around the corner? In recent years, the United States has experienced a myriad of changes to its immigration policies. These alterations have included increased visa applications, an influx of asylum seekers, the implementation of travel bans, and more. Such changes have sparked intense debates, with various stakeholders arguing over the impacts and implications of these new policies. If you're trying to catch up on the latest developments in U.S. immigration policy and what they might mean for you, this comprehensive article is a must-read. In it, you'll learn about an overview of recent immigration changes in the U.S., the pros and cons of immigration reforms, how to prepare for potential changes. Staying informed about these policy changes and their implications is crucial for anyone involved in the immigration process. What's new in current immigration policies and changes? Immigration laws in the United States are constantly evolving. Understanding these changes is crucial, whether you're a student, a worker, or an immigrant. Here, we'll explore some of the most significant changes made in recent months. H-1B visas. One of the most notable changes in U.S. immigration policy pertains to the H-1B visa program. This program allows foreign nationals with specialized skills or knowledge to work in the United States. Under President Donald Trump, an executive order was signed to reduce legal immigration, which required employers to prioritize hiring American workers over foreign ones. This led to an increase in the denial of H-1B visa applications, causing concern among businesses reliant on skilled foreign labor. The Biden administration, however, has taken a different approach. There has been a shift towards reviewing these policies to ensure fair labor practices while still allowing businesses to recruit the talent they need. Biden's decision to delay Trump's wage-based process for H-1B visas has been seen as a positive step for ensuring fair treatment of foreign workers. Naturalization requirements. Naturalization is the process by which a lawful permanent resident green card holder becomes a U.S. citizen. Recently, changes have been made to the naturalization process that affect the status of unauthorized immigrants. Applicants must now pass a civics test, which includes questions about American history and the federal government. Additionally, they must show proof of income or financial need, a change from the previous requirement of proving only permanent residency status and length of stay. These changes have led to longer processing times for visa applications. Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals DACA. The Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals DACA program, established under the Obama administration, protects undocumented immigrants who were brought to the U.S. as children from deportation and allows them to work legally in the country. Known as Dreamers, these individuals have faced numerous legal challenges, particularly during the Trump administration, which attempted to rescind the program in 2017. Under the Biden administration, DACA has remained in place with some changes aimed at strengthening and expanding the program. The administration has issued a memo to reinforce DACA and is appealing decisions that threaten its continuation. Travel bans. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to various travel restrictions and bans, which have been a source of controversy. These policies have affected citizens of certain countries, sometimes leading to feelings of persecution. Staying informed about any changes to travel restrictions is essential, as they can impact travel plans and the ability to return to home countries. It is advisable to check with local authorities before making any travel plans. What to expect with proposed immigration changes? Immigration reform has been a prominent topic in recent news. While some changes could take months or even years to become law, it is important to stay informed about potential reforms. Here's what you can expect. Pathway to citizenship. A significant proposed change involves creating a pathway to citizenship for individuals living in the United States without legal status. This pathway would require applicants to meet specific criteria, such as continuous residency and work authorization. Once they obtain legal status, they would be eligible for a green card, and after 5 years on a green card, they could apply for full citizenship. Family-based immigration. In the fiscal year of 2019, over 700,000 people obtained lawful permanent residence through family sponsorship. This program allows individuals to receive a green card if they have a close family member who is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. However, countries with large immigrant populations often experience long wait times, and the limited number of green cards issued annually can create additional challenges. The proposed changes aim to raise the per-country limits, which would help reunite more migrant families. This type of immigration is sometimes referred to as chain migration. With these changes, navigating the process for undocumented immigrants could become more manageable. Employment-based immigration. The Biden administration has proposed using unused visa slots from previous years to allow more foreign workers to obtain green cards. This proposal would also enable the spouses and children of visa holders to receive green cards without counting against the annual cap. This could significantly reduce the backlog of applicants waiting for their chance to immigrate. A timeline of immigration changes in the U.S. Before a new immigration law can be enacted, it must go through a legislative process that includes review by lawmakers and public input. Once Congress approves the legislation, it is sent to the president, who can either sign or veto it. If signed, it becomes law. The timeline for these changes depends on how quickly Congress can move through the legislative process. Generally, most laws take months or even years to be fully enacted. The United States has long been a land of opportunity for immigrants, and it continues to need the contributions of immigrants for its growth and prosperity. Similarly, immigrants often seek the opportunities and freedoms that the U.S. offers. If you are dealing with new regulations from immigration services, it is advisable to seek help from an immigration attorney. They can provide guidance and support as you navigate the complexities of citizenship and immigration services. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in this video, we will talk about are immigration changes happening soon? In recent years, the United States has experienced significant changes in its immigration policies, impacting visa application, asylum seekers, and travel bans. These changes have ignited intense debate regarding their impacts and implications. Staying informed about these developments is essential for anyone involved in immigration process. Key areas of change: H-1B visas. Under the Trump administration, an executive order aimed to reduce legal immigration by prioritizing American workers, resulting in higher denial rates for H-1B visas. The Biden administration has reviewed these policies to ensure fair labor practices while still allowing businesses to hire in foreign talent. Biden's decision to delay Trump's wage-based process for H-1B visas has been seen positively for foreign workers. Naturalization requirements. Changes in the naturalization process now require applicants to pass a civic test and show proof of income or financial need, leading to longer processing time for visa applications. Deferred action for childhood arrivals, DACA. DACA, which protects undocumented immigrants brought to the US as children, faced legal challenges under Trump but remains in place under Biden, with efforts to strengthen and expand the program. Travel bans. The COVID-19 pandemic led to various travel restrictions affecting citizens of certain countries and impacting travel plans. Staying updated on travel bans is crucial. Proposed immigration changes, pathway to citizenship. A proposed change involves creating a pathway to citizenship for undocumented individuals meeting specific criteria such as continuous residency and work authorization. Family-based immigration. Proposed changes aim to raise per-country limits, helping reunite more migrant families and easing the process for undocumented immigrants. Employment-based immigration. Using unused visa slots from previous years to allow more foreign workers to obtain green cards, including their spouses and children, without counting against the annual cap, could significantly reduce the backlog of applicants. Legislative process. Before a new immigration law can be enacted, it must go through a legislative process involving review by lawmakers and public input. The timeline for these changes depends on how quickly Congress can act, typically taking months or years. The United States remains a land of opportunity for immigrants, needing their contributions for growth and prosperity. For those navigating new regulations, seeking help from an immigration attorney is advisable for guidance and support.